one of the really important things is going to be understanding data export, data
Mm,
retention, and data deletion. So if you have an AI tool, how are you going to get your data out of that tool? Once you export that data, let's just say you export it onto your own hard drive, that doesn't mean that the AI tool doesn't have a copy of it, right? Data can be copied and there could be multiple copies in many different places. So retention and deletion are a separate issue. And then you have to understand how these data retention, deletion, and export provisions relate to confidentiality because in those agreements, the ideal outcome would be all of your data is your confidential information, not to be used for any other purpose besides providing the services to you. And then you also need to understand if some of that data is personal data versus non-personal data, then there's going to be other things in the privacy cybersecurity realm that we just talked about that may apply to a subset of the data, but not all of the data. So that's again where my experience is kind of helping companies navigate through some of these challenging questions and the operational realities of implementing a legally compliant program.